And now you are studying in science chapter first, nutrition in plants. You already studied nutrition, nutrients, about modes of nutrition in plants, two types, autotrophic and heterotrophic. And in autotrophic nutrition, you know very well plants, about plants. Plants take a process to make food, that is called photosynthesis, okay, in presence of sunlight, okay. And after I left last point, I already described by a video how to plants take nutritions from roots and in presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, about, okay. Now we need to show how is necessary to show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. So before your activity, first I will show you a video how to this process will be done, okay. Now see materials required, okay. See, healthy potted plant, one watch glass, this is glass, one test tube, and two beaker with water, okay. Two beakers with water and iodine solution and alcohol. You know these are materials, black pepper and one burner for boiling, one forceps, you know how you catch it, triple stand with wire gauze, okay. This is stand to put wicker on it, dropper. And the process, how will we process these? Take a healthy potted plant and keep it in dark room for 24 hours. How many hours? 24 hours you take in dark room. After 24 hours, what do? You take cover one of its leaf on the upper and lower side with black pepper pieces and put the plant in sunlight for 3 to 4 hours, okay. Put the plant in 3-4 hours. After 3-4 hours, what do? You plug the leaf, remove black pepper pieces from it, and after removing the black pepper, now boil this leaf in water to kill it, okay. Boil water, totally high flame, and after boiling in water again boil it in alcohol. First in water, second in alcohol, okay. First water in boil and second boil in alcohol, okay. After boiling water, you remove leaves from there, then wash the leaf in cold water and place it in watch glass, okay. After watch glass, some drops of iodine solution over it. Observation, what you see, the leaf which has been exposed the sunlight with will turn blue. There is no change of color in the remaining part. That part you covered with black paper, no changes of color, okay. Now conclusion, to show the sunlight is necessary for photo, okay. After watching that observation, that play video, what you see, on the remaining part of the leaf the iodine solution turns blue black because it got sunlight and prepared food in the form of stars. It is clear, because that part have stars and that part you covered with black paper, there is no star because there is no sunlight, so food is not there, so iodine solution not to change their color. Clear? So this provement is clear. Now object activity second, to show that only green parts of leaf can photosynthesis. Clear? So here what you need, take two colored variated leaf, for example leaves of coleus or hibiscus plants, it have two colors. Bleach the leaf by the first boiling in water, then in alcohol, same process, the leaf gets decolorized. wash the leaf with water and place in dish with dilute iodine solution. Now what you will notice? You will notice that iodine solution on the green portion of the leaf turn blue-black due to the presence of stars. At that part of the leaf colored prepared food, the iodine solution on non-green parts will not turn blue-black. Rather they turn brown, indicating that non-green parts could not synthesize foods. It's a clear, my dear students. Where is green plant? See, this is a green plants, green part of leaves, and this is non-green parts of leaf. When you put the iodine solution, first you boil in alcohol, and after washing it, you pour some iodine solution on it. What you see? In green part covered in blue black, but that part that is non-green, it not change their color. So it's a clear that only green parts of leaf can photosynthesis. Okay, now see, thus it is clear from the above activity that in part plants with variated leaves photosynthesis takes place only in the green portion of the leaves. Clear? Now importance of photosynthesis. Here see, the process of photosynthesis has its own importance. It is the only natural process which utilizes sun energy to prepare food. Its importance can be understood by the following points. What? First point, photosynthesis enable green plants to prepare their own food which they use their own growth and survival. The extra food gets stored in the form of stars. Already I told extra food. Animals also store their food, extra food, in the form of glycogen, and plants in the form of starch in different parts of the plant. All animals depend on plants for their food directly or indirectly. Oxygen, which is essential for the survival of all living organisms, is produced during the process of photosynthesis. In that time I ask you question, what is the use of oxygen? See, animal and human breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide, which is used by green plants to prepare their own food. This maintains the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide, okay, in nature. Now variated means what? Showing different color or patches or streaks. See, this figure you have for homework, you have draw. Clear? Now after that, in the absence of photosynthesis, life will not be possible on the earth. So photosynthesis is very necessary because nature is depend on photosynthesis and we are depend on nature. So you fill in the blanks, these are given. This is also your homework. What are the living things can prepare their food, the mode of nutrition, the end products of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide, and what help to maintain the balance of oxygen, carbon dioxide on the earth. Now your homework, what is nutrition? Again, what is nutrients? How many mode of nutrition in plants? Right name. What is autotrophic nutrition? What is photosynthesis? Write the procedure of photosynthesis, write the reaction of photosynthesis, write the material name what you take in activity first. Write the importance of photosynthesis in your textbook and make diagram of balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in nature from your book. Clear? Okay, dear students, I think you understood very well, and after watching this video you ask your doubt. Thank you.